Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something very important in the watch world. Mechanical watches versus quartz watches. If you're new to the watches, this can look confusing at first, but don't worry, I will keep it very simple. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the difference. So let's start. First, let's talk about quartz watches. Quartz watches are most common watches today. They work using a battery. Inside is a quartz crystal. When electricity goes through it, it vibrates. And this keeps very accurate time. So simply, battery and quartz crystal equals accurate time. By the way, if you enjoy watch videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel. I post watch content and reviews. Alright, let's continue. Now let's talk about mechanical watches. Mechanical watches do not use a battery, they use gears and springs. There is a mainspring inside. When you wind the watch, you store the energy, then the energy moves the hands. So simply, winding equals energy, gears equals movement, and there are two types, manual and automatic. Now, let's compare them. Quartz uses a battery, mechanical uses a spring. Quartz is a very accurate, mechanical is less accurate. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Quartz is easy, you just have to replace a battery. Mechanical needs servicing every 4 to 5 years. Quartz is cheaper, mechanical is more expensive. Let me give you a simple example. A quartz watch is like an electric gadget, fast, accurate and easy. A mechanical watch is like a handmade instrument. It has emotion and craftsmanship. Both are great, but very different. People don't buy mechanical watches only to tell time. They buy them for design, history, engineering, emotion. It feels like a small machine on your wrist. So to summarize, quartz watches are accurate and easy. Mechanical watches are emotional and special. Both are great. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and tell me in the comments, quartz or mechanical, what do you think?